Thyroid gland. The thyroid is a butterfly-shaped structure situated in the front of the neck and just below the larynx. It secretes a hormone called thyroxine. It regulates the metabolic rate, that is, the rate of cellular oxidation resulting in heat production. It influences the general growth of the body temperature, and mental development. So, it is also called personality hormone. Hypothyroidism, undersecretion. That means the thyroid secretes lesser than it has to secrete. Insufficient secretion of thyroxine may lead to three conditions: simple goiter, cretinism, which causes dry hair, which is coarse and sparse, lateral eyebrows are thin, puffy, dull face with dry skin, and periorbital edema. Myxedema. It is an enlargement of thyroid and is visible as swelling of the neck. It is called simple goiter. This is due to deficiency of iodine in the food. It can be cured by administering iodine along with food and water. Goiter cases are found in hilly areas where iodine is less in the soil and water. Usually, people living in coastal areas do not suffer from goiter because there is sufficient iodine in seawater and soil. This condition affects children who are born without a properly functioning thyroid gland. Symptoms include stunted growth, retarded mental development, bow legs, defective teeth, protrusion of tongue, and loose, wrinkled skin. The disease can be controlled if proper treatment is given in time. Myxedema. This condition affects an adult if the thyroid gland is not functioning properly. Symptoms include low metabolic rate, loss of mental and physical vigor, increase in weight, thickening of skin, and lower heart beat. Administering the right dosage of thyroxine can help cure the disease. Hyperthyroidism, oversecretion, that means produces more thyroxine than we need. Excess of thyroxine hormone results in high metabolic rate, protrusion of the eyeballs, high blood pressure, nervous tension, irritability, profuse sweating, weight loss, and fatigue. Parathyroid glands. These are two small pairs of glands embedded in the back of the thyroid. Their hormone, parathormone, promotes the movement of calcium ions from bones to the blood. Oversecretion may lead to depletion of calcium and phosphorus from the bones, making them soft and spongy. Undersecretion. Extra calcium is deposited on the bones, making them thick and brittle. This leads to painful muscle cramps. The adrenal glands are like caps above the kidneys. Ad means near, renal is kidney. They are also called suprarenal glands. Each adrenal gland has two parts, the outer cortex and the inner medulla. Adrenal cortex. What is this? The adrenal cortex, which is the outer portion of the adrenal gland, secretes hormones called corticosteroids. Example: cortisol, cortisone, and aldosterone. They control utilization of carbohydrate, fat, and protein by the body, normal responses to stress, anti-inflammatory effects, regulation of salt and water balance. Adrenal medulla. The adrenal medulla is the inner part of the adrenal gland, helps to secrete certain hormones which are released into the blood during times of physical or emotional stress. The hormones are adrenaline, noradrenaline, dopamine. Dopamine functions as a neurotransmitter and has an important part to play in brain function. Prepares the body for fright, flight or flight and has many effects. Action of the heart is increased, rate and depth of breathing increased, metabolic rate increases, force of muscular contraction improves, onset of muscular fatigue delayed, blood supply to the bladder and intestines reduced, their muscular walls relax. Similar effects to adrenaline: constriction of small blood vessels leading to increased blood pressure, increased blood flow through the coronary arteries and slowing of heart rate, increase in rate and depth of breathing, relaxation of the smooth muscle in the intestinal walls.